Yeah, welcome to this channel. I'm happy that you are here. Right in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Trend for your market research, your product research, or your topic research. Alright, so I want you to do me a favor by clicking the subscribe button below and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more valuable content like this. Alright, so watch me as I show you how to use Google Trend for your market research and product research. I've been using this tool for a very long time. I think since 2017 I've been using this tool and it has been working for me. Alright, so pay attention as you follow me. Yeah, first thing first is you go to trend.google.com/trend. Okay, trend.google.com. So that's the first thing you need to do. Or just go to Google and type Google Trend. Just type it on Google. Then it should bring you to somewhere here. Alright, so this is what we call Google Trend. Alright, so what you need to do, let me just explain some aspect to you. What we want to do now is we want to do a research on a particular topic. Let's say you want to sell a product, like you want to start a business, then you want to find the kind of niche that people are really interested in, a kind of niche that people already needed, that they are in search for it. So what you need to do is, now let's say you want to be selling a product, let me say you want to be selling baby products. Okay, let me say Pampers now. So you want to see how people have been searching for it. You want to get more details about it. So you can just come here, then you search for Pampers to see how, Pampers is a brand, to see how people have been searching for it. So you just type Pampers, it will load. Alright, you see now, you can see Pampers, you can see the trend. Okay, so now let me go down, let me dig down a little. So let me search it for the whole wide world, where people are searching for it in the whole world. You see the trend. Alright, you see the trend. So now what I want to do now, I want to search it by years, like by time and dates that people have been searching for it. Now, like this trend now is the report from the 12 months ago. Let's see report for 6 months ago. Okay, let's see for 3 months ago. 3 months ago. 3 months ago. So that's 90 days. So we see the trend, you see how people have been searching for it for that particular time. Wow, you can see the trend also. That's for the 90 days ago, that's 3 months ago. Now let's search for it, let's say 1 month ago. You can see that this product is a really hot product. This is Pampers, it's very hot. People are searching for it on the web. You understand? On the web, people are searching for it on the web. Alright, so you can even dig down and search it by category. Alright, so you can search by category. You can say in Pampers now, let's say okay, let's find it by, okay, shopping. Let's say how people have been shopping for this kind of thing. You see people have been searching for Pampers in the shopping category. See the trend, like this one now, as at April 22, 2022, 91. You see 91, you can see how the trend is working, you can see how it goes. Alright, so now we can even compare. Let's say Pampers now. Let's find another product that is related to Pampers. What other products? Okay, let's see. What other products? Okay, let's see. Ladies care. Ladies care. So I'm just using this as a sample. Wow. You can see this trend. So people are even searching for Pampers than lady care. Alright, so okay, don't let us use lady care. Okay, let's use Pampers. Let's compare with one baby food now. Let's say nan one. Nan one. Okay, although people are searching for nan one, but Pampers is still the highest search we can find on, like the highest search we can find here. Pampers is still the highest. All right, so people are searching for Pampers than nan one. Okay, let's search for another thing. Let's search for uh baby shoe. I'm just doing all this just so that you can see how it works. All right, wow, wow. You see this, right? So people are searching for baby shoes than Pampers. Here you can see the comparison. You can see it. Now let me dig down to some other stuff. Now I'm searching for the whole wide world, how people are searching for a particular stuff. Now in Brazil, the blue now is Pampers. Okay, 100% for Pampers, then 1% for baby shoe. Then in France, 88% and 12 for 88% for Pampers and 12% for baby shoe. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, that's great. That's great. That's great. But in this chart, people are still charging for baby shoe than Pampers. All right. Now um let me relate it to a digital product creation, or let me relate it to a market research in digital aspect. All right, these ones are commodity, are physical commodity like product that you can buy in shops. All right, so now let me say I want to write a book, I want to do a research. Let me say I want to do a research, I want to create a solution. All right, I want to create a solution for a particular problem. All right, then I already have my niche, I already have what I want to work on. Let's say I want to create a problem under I want to create a solution under a relationship niche. All right, so now let me search for heartbreak. Okay, let me search for heartbreak. Let me search for heartbreak. Okay, let me remove this. I want to start afresh. All right, heartbreak. Wow. You can see the trend for heartbreak. Let me see the country that search. I know it's going to be Nigeria. Nigeria is the most is one of the first country that searches about heartbreak in the world, followed by Australia. Then like that you can see in the result, you can see it here. So down to write a product, I want to create a solution for heartbreak, like how to avoid heartbreak in a relationship or stuff like that. So I already see that, okay, this heartbreak. Then I will see the market. I can see that, okay, the market is in Nigeria. Like if I want to sell this kind of product now, I will target most of Nigeria. I can target Australia at least 52%. And Nigeria is the best market if you want to target any country for this kind of product. Let's say you want to create a solution for heartbreak. All right, so let's search for another thing. Okay, let me search for it related to, okay, let's say in the past 7 days, right? Wow, wow, this is a crazy market. I just gave you expo. Okay, in the last 7 days, okay, what we did was in the last 30 days, so it was Nigeria. But in the last 7 days, it was, wow, Brunei, it was New Zealand, it was Angola. Even Nigeria is not on the list. All right, so that's how to follow the trend. You can see the trend, you can see how it is. Now let's compare heartbreak with divorce. Crazy market. Okay, I'm still talking about relationship. Yeah, I'm still talking about in the relationship aspect. All right, so you can see I don't need to tell you what the answer is here. All right, you can see it's still this same country that is in the first. Then the you can see. All right, so the essence of this Google trend is for you to see how people are searching for a particular topic. So you can see if there is a market for it, you can see the demand for it. All right, so as this it is now, you already know that people are already searching for a solution regarding this, like the advert. Let's scroll down, let's see something. You can see scroll down and see. You can see we still have other countries here. Only love can break your heart. You can see only love can break your heart. If I want to create a solution now, I can create my solution, the topic of my solution around this topic. Only love can break your heart, stuff like that. This is crazy. All right, so that is that for the Google Trend. So just go to Google Trend. Let me recap. Go to Google Trend. Just have in mind the topic you want to search for already, depending on the aspects. All right. Okay. So I made a research yesterday. Was it yesterday? Okay, some days back. So about WhatsApp, WhatsApp marketing, WhatsApp marketing. All right. WhatsApp marketing and WhatsApp marketing and WhatsApp monetization. WhatsApp monetization. Crazy. Now you can see now I want to compare what I want to do now. Let's say I want to create a product about maybe WhatsApp, maybe how to make money with WhatsApp or WhatsApp marketing. Now I already see that here now in my research. I already see that okay, people are already searching for something related to WhatsApp marketing. So that means I really have a product. I really have market for this. I really have market for this, for WhatsApp market. If I'm to create a product for WhatsApp market, I'm going to make crazy sales. So now let me see the kind of country I'm going to target. Wow, you can see the country that are searching for WhatsApp marketing. You can see it. So that means I have the market already. So I can just create my topic around this keyword, WhatsApp marketing. All right, WhatsApp marketing. So that is going to be the end for this WhatsApp for this Google Trend training. How to use Google Trend training. All right. So just know that if you want to do your research, depending on the country you want to do research for, although I've been doing it, I'm doing it for worldwide. All right. So worldwide, if I do for worldwide, then I can determine okay which country have the highest search. All right. So I can do it by date, like the time frame. All right. Maybe 5 years. Okay, let's do something for 5 years. Let's see how people have been searching for this for the 5 years. All right, you can see that it's still WhatsApp marketing over WhatsApp monetization. All right, so that is that for that. Now I'm even searching it under shopping. Crazy. Let me do it for all categories. Still WhatsApp marketing over WhatsApp monetization. All right, so that is that for that. So and you can also decide to search it related to all the searches I've been making. It was related to web search, meaning people that are searching it on the web. All right, people that are searching for these particular topics on the web. So I can search it related to image search. You can see I can search it related to news search. So news search. All right, so I can search it related to Google Shopping, and I can also search it related to YouTube search. That means people that have been searching for this particular topic on YouTube. All right, so that is that for that. So this is just a basic explanation of how to use Google Trend. All right, of how to use Google Trend, and that is where I'm going to end this class here. So if you want me to explain some other things, maybe you want me to make a video on some other stuff, anything, just drop it in the comment section. I'm going to attend to it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this wonderful tutorial on how to use Google Trend. I hope you learned one or two things. All right, so if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click the button now and subscribe, so that will bring more valuable content like this to you. All right, so and in case you have any question you want to ask regarding this topic, Google Trend, just drop it in the comment section. I'll be here to attend to it. Thank you.